What's up, guys? Today we're working on the 56. Gonna remove the headlight switch. Show you all how to do that. It's pretty simple job. You've never seen them. It's just a push in, pull it out. You want to pull it all the way out, and then you gotta reach up under the dash and hit a little button that releases this knob. You gotta kind of push it in just a little bit when you're pushing that button, and then pull it out. And then I'll show you all how to do that, where the button is, here in just a second. Push it in just a little bit, slide your pin right on out, and I believe I'll get you a little screwdriver here. And you're supposed to be able to take and twist that. You just stick the screwdriver, flat-headed screwdriver, into the piece on the dash. Looks like almost like a keyhole, but just the piece that your lever came out of. There's your lever. You pull it out all the way, that it'll let you. And you reach up under the dash and you hit this little button that's on the switch, and it releases this so you can slide it all the way out. Then you stick your flathead screwdriver in there and you loosen it up and it'll come out the dash. Then you reach up in there and you grab your switch and you pull it out. This should work on most all the classic Chevys. Where I understand, everything up to the OBS. Alright, this is the switch. Here's your little button. You push that little button down when you got the lever all the way pulled out. See, this hole right here mounts to that hole. Just like that, just above it. Yeah, you just reach up, pull it all the way out, push that little button, slide it out. Done.